Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Journey with Ashley show. I have some wonderful helpers today. These are my most popular videos. I think it's because maybe they're so cute and sweet. I am honored. Thank you. It's not because of what I'm teaching, it's because of y'all for sure. But let me welcome those of you that haven't seen any of my videos with these lovely ladies in it. I have three daughters, I have one son, and two wonderful grandchildren. And I like teaching them how to trade, at least the children. The grandchildren are a little bit young. But let me let you introduce yourself and tell the audience what stage of life you're in. What is on the horizon for you?
Okay, so I am about to be a freshman in college, and this is my last few months at home, so I have a bunch of free time that I'm soaking up with the people I love.
Oh, sweet. That's tough. This is the baby. So when the baby heads off to college, it's kind of emotional.
So hi, I'm Landry. For those of you who don't know me, I do social media marketing, and currently I'm just business has taken off, which is really good. I've signed a few more clients, and it's just keeping me really busy, which I love. I love what I do, and so getting to do it here, surrounded by the people I love, is just so fruitful and rewarding and awesome. And so, yeah, we've got lots of fun trips that are coming up for this summer, so we have those to look forward to. So yeah.
Well, one philosophy I have, I trade for a living, and obviously I have been doing great. The market's been incredible and it's been a lot of fun. But one thing that I like to share with the girls is you can't just make the money. You have to actually enjoy some of it. Otherwise, what's the point? And so that's why we do love to travel together as a family and make memories because, we're only on our first short time, which is why I started trading for a living. I wanted more time with them when they were younger. I spent a lot of time at work. And so the last 3 years, they have had me full time. And I'm busy with trading and helping my community, but they certainly have me at their beck and call as needed. That's what's a
Well,
lot.
we call on her a lot for everything.
Well, it's an honor to be here with you. And what I'm going to teach you how to do today is how to sell a put. Now, I know I've taught you that, Landry, but I don't think I've taught you. So, what is your thoughts on if I say, let's say you want something and I go, okay, I need to go sell some puts to pay for them. What do you think I'm doing when I say sell a put?
I think that you're selling stuff that you've been holding on to and letting gain interest,
Ooh.
and then you sell it for more than you bought it for.
Okay, well, you've got some of the concept correct. Okay, so what it is, Lily, is I am putting up the money to buy one of my favorite stocks that I think is going to go higher, but I actually want a better discount on it. So let me put this in terms that you may be able to relate to, because you love to do what in your free time?
I love to shop.
She's a shopper, everybody. She loves a good deal. Do you love when you get a sale?
Yeah.
And today, or yesterday, this was what, 20% off? Dress was 20% off,
And I'm wearing it today in honor of that.
All right. Perfect. Because this relates to what I try to do when I try to get stocks on sale. So I'm going to put this in terms of shopping because both of these girls love to shop, and that may help it resonate with Lily, and Landry loves to shop too. So
Yes, we both had packages coming to the door today. We did. If that tells you anything.
and so if I put it in shopping terms, let's take this beautiful dress that you have on for example. Did you get that dress on sale?
I did. I got this dress yesterday, and it was on sale for 20% off, so it kind of felt like a little present.
Okay, perfect. That's a great analogy because when I sell puts on a stock, I'm looking for stocks that are already on sale. And then I'm a little greedy with these stocks. I actually want them to go a little bit lower.
Oh, this is like a sale at TJ Maxx. It's like already discounted stuff,
Yes,
but on sale.
okay, it's already on sale, but let's assume for this analogy, because I'm going to talk to you about how to get paid for getting stocks cheaper than what they're trading at today. So that's what this is about. So I'm going to do like a dress that you bought. I'm going to tell you how to get it cheaper and get paid to get it cheaper. So in this scenario, she bought her dress. It was 20% discount. But what if she went up to the counter and she said, I know there's a sale going on this dress, and I know it's $125, but I want it for $100. Okay. That's what you do when you are saying that you want to buy a stock, but you want it lower. So here's how it might work in the terms of a dress. So I might tell that cashier, I will take this dress, but I only want it for $100, not $125 what it's trading at today. Not $125. See, I'm in trading mode. Not $125 what it's selling for today. I want it for $100, okay? And in fact, I'm going to give you the $100 right here, cashier. I'm going to put my $100 up on the table. If that dress gets marked down to $100, would you please buy it for me? And she says, sure. And that makes me happy because I'm getting the dress at the price I want, but there's an expiration date. And I say, by Friday, if this dress gets marked down by Friday to $100, here's the money, buy it for me and call me, I'll come pick it up. And she goes, okay, well, wait 1 second, Ashley, here's $15. And I say, wait a minute, why are you giving me money? Well, you're putting your money up right now. And so we're getting to go ahead and put that in our cash register. And so I'm going to give you $15 for your trouble. And I say, wait a minute, I'm going to potentially get this dress for cheaper than it's selling for now. And you're going to pay me money now?
It sounds too good to be true.
That's what selling puts is all about, basically. So 2 things will happen in that scenario. We get to Friday. If the dress has been marked down to $100, she's got my money, right? Okay. She calls me and says, the dress is yours, ready to pick up. Perfect. If it doesn't get marked down, so the manager says, nope, we're not marking it down. If Ashley wants that dress, she'll pay $125. It does not come down. Then she calls me on Friday and she says, Ashley, come pick up your money. The dress did not get to your price. Okay, no problem. So I pick up the money and I go, do you want that $15 back? No, you let me keep the money. You put the money up there. You get to keep that $15. So that is exactly what happens when you sell a put for a stock. You are putting up your money to buy the stock at the price you're comfortable buying it at. Isn't that so cool?
Mm-hmm.
Do y'all want to see how much money I made today for doing that exact thing on several favorite stocks that I had?
I'd love to.
So that $15 that cashier gave me for putting up my money, I'm about to show you how much money I made today from selling puts on my favorite stocks. You want to see?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go take a
All
look.
right.
Okay. Girls, do you see right here? It starts right here. And we're going to start going down. Tell me some of the numbers you're seeing.
$2,556.
Great. What's here?
$726.
Great. Great. All the way down. Oh, we're getting down here. We're getting some bigger numbers. What's this?
$6,096.
Okay. And what is all of this? We've got more up here. I had a great old time today. Look at this.
Yeah, you had a great shopping day.
I sure did. I have lots of puts that I sold today. What is the date on all these transactions?
Today, June 4th.
June the 4th. Okay. Do you know that this is over $21,000
Just by selling puts?
just by selling puts?
Wow.
And just today.
Just today.
And it is 2:30 in the afternoon.
Wow.
The market's still open. And all these positions, I'm going to go show you on some of them. As it's moving away from my strike price, then the money that I receive for this, that is money that becomes mine. When we get to these expiration dates on all of these, if it hasn't hit the strike price, so if the dress has not come down in the price, I get to just keep all that premium.
Wow. And you get your money back that you put up?
They give me all my money back to do it again. I get to go find new stuff.
So do you recommend this being one of the base level strategies that a new trader should learn? Absolutely.
That is a great question. I think this is the best strategy. It's almost too good to be true, right? Here's what could happen. I like to talk about risk, okay? So we'll look at it in 2 scenarios. This scenario, but then the dress as well.
Okay.
Let's assume that the dress got down to your strike price, okay?
$100.
$100. You got the dress, but then the dress kept dropping in value. And so your whole thought was you were going to resell the dress at some point. But you notice that another 6 months passes and that dress, instead of the $100, now it's only worth $50. And it's gone out of style.
Mm-hmm.
So now you have a dress, great, but you can't resell it. So that's the risk. That's why when you do this, you only do it on stocks that you believe will be worth more in the future and that you can sell for higher than you bought it for.
Gotcha. So you can't just do it with any stock. You have to be super confident and do your research.
That's it. That's the risk, audience. Is if you get your hands on a stock that will never eventually go back up to what you paid for it, even at a discount, then you're going to be left just holding a stock that never appreciates in value. And the beauty of selling puts for stocks, if I put these stocks at these prices, I've selected the right price based on what I know that the stock can move in its price life cycle. So if I actually get it, I know that I am getting it almost at the rock bottom price. And then when it starts rising again, I can then go and sell it for more money. And that's a whole other conversation. We'll do another video about that. But in general, if you're going to be selling puts for a beginner, I would suggest looking at a stock, maybe like SoFi Technologies. It trades, it's under $20.
Well,
So it won't take a lot of money to do it. And then you could sell a put on SoFi and learn how this works.
so it's kind of a low risk, high reward situation to kind of get your feet wet a little bit. And then you can just build up your confidence and your trading technique.
That's exactly what it is. And so this is why I do this for a living instead of working, because I mean, it's just such a better situation for me. I realized I started doing this while I was still working, and I was making more money than they were paying me at work.
Wow, that's incredible.
And then I realized it was just too good not to share, which is why I'm with all of you on YouTube and why I have my sweet little community. And today in the community, we were having so much fun. We were just looking at the fact that we can't believe we get to do this like every day together.
We should pop in your community sometime. Just say hi.
Oh, they would love it. Well, they got to meet. Oh, well, you didn't get to go.
When I get to go.
It was so much fun. I can't wait until the next meet and greet because I'm definitely coming along for that one too. Like everybody that I got to meet, if you're watching this, you were so sweet. I got to come home and just talk about all these sweet, incredible people I met that without you, I wouldn't have been able to meet. And so, yeah, it was an amazing time. We had a great time over in Dallas, and I can't wait until next time.
So what I plan to do with the premium that I made today, that is going to go towards the trip that I have been wanting to take with all of you to Disney World.
I know, we are so excited. Y'all, I don't care how old I am, Disney World
Never gets old.
is the happiest place on earth. So,
It can be. So it's going to be a lot of fun because
thank you for doing that.
You're welcome. I love y'all and I love spending time with y'all, and I love being able to help train our audience by sharing these concepts with you. And so, audience, I hope that helped you today. I hope that now you have an analogy, because that's what I like to do. I like to take fun, simple little everyday analogies and use it to train you so that it's easier for you to grab hold of these concepts and build your confidence that you too can do this. Remember, if you're with me trading with Ashley,
There is no trader left behind.
very good. And so, Landry, since you mentioned the selling puts for a beginner, I am going to link a video, and it's all about if you are a beginner. I take you from the very beginning on how to sell a put on SoFi stock. It's a great starter stock. I'm going to leave that video for you right here.
Well, right
there.
Oh, y'all better click it.
Thanks.
Bye.